ACF Extended Pro Installation Video by GPL and Digital Confidense. Upload the ACF Extended Pro plugin file for installing. Install it. Now, before activate this ACF Extended Pro, let's check the options already exists with ACF Pro. You can see now some 5 to 6 options showing. Okay, we are activating ACF Extended Pro. The more options that are like templates, tools, are additionally included now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for watching more WordPress themes and plugins related videos.